you can remove immediately. Kasi even skipping 1 meal can go it down. But for heart medication, blood pressure, seizure medication, even the steroids, you cannot. Steroids, we have to take it down, but we have to replace with an anti-inflammatory herbs or supplement. But for the blood pressure, when they lose weight and their cholesterol goes down, that blood pressure will go down later. So it's like the blood pressure medication is trying to stop the spike in BP. As you do the diet and everything, that will start going down, and the patient will see, oh, my blood pressure is going down. There are herbs that you can give for that, but you cannot remove the BP meds. So, sabay mo na sila. And then, as the patient improves, that slowly you can bring out. So again, sugar, cholesterol, uric acid, you can remove immediately if you want. It's just diet anyway, but the rest, you cannot.
We are going to make a confession, okay? There is one drug I remove immediately, and there's another, the same drug, she removes immediately. Salanto, that's a statin drug. Okay, I'll tell you why. Because statins stops cholesterol, right? Supposedly. It really stops the liver from producing cholesterol. We need cholesterol for almost all cells of the body, specifically for the brain and for your hormones. Second, truth. You only eat about 20% cholesterol-making food. The 80% is made by the liver. So now here is your statin drug, removing the ability of the liver, natural ability of the liver, to fill in all of the needs of the body, the 80% that your other cells need. That's why, the moment you take a statin drug, what is the first thing that will happen? No. Brain fat, Julianin. So, I'm sorry to say, the doctors will not like me for saying this publicly. I've only said it only direct to patients who are taking it, and they still have to make the decision. But I always tell them, if you ask me, I will stop that. Okay, doctor.
Statins